Hello my dears, welcome back. How was your maths exam? Easy? Okay, fine. Let's continue our fourth unit, more and less. Listen to this activity. Annamala school has LP, UP and high school classes and there are 2060 children in all. There are 358 children in the LP classes and 449 children in UP classes. How many children are there in high school classes? Students, listen. How many children are there in LP classes? 358. How many children are there in UP classes? Yes, 449. To find out the number of children in high school classes, at first we have to add these 358 and 449. 358 plus 449. 9 plus 8? 17. 7 here and 1 is to be carried here. 5 plus 4, 9. Plus 1, 10. 4 10 0 here and 1 is to be carried in the hundreds place. 4 plus 3, 7. Plus 1, 8. 807. Then subtract 807 from total number of children. Can you say the total number of children? Yes, 2060. So, subtract 807 from 2060. 2060 minus 807. Here we can't subtract 7 from 0. So, borrow 1 from 6. 0 becomes 10 and 6 becomes 5. 10 minus 7, 3. 5 minus 0, 5. Here we can't subtract 8 from 0. So borrow 1 from 2. So 0 becomes 10 and 2 becomes 1. 10 minus 8, 2. And 1 is here, 1253. How many children are there in high school classes? 1253. The next question. How many more children are there in the high school classes than in the UP classes? How can we find? Listen, UP classes have 449 children and high school classes have 1253 children. Which classes have more number of children? Yes, high school classes. So, to find out the more number of children in high school classes, subtract 449 from 1253. 1253 minus 449. Listen, subtraction of 9 from 3 is not possible. So borrow 1 from 5. 3 becomes 13 and 5 becomes 4. 13 minus 9, 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Here, subtraction of 4 from 2 is not possible. So, borrow 1 from 1. 2 becomes 12 and 1 becomes 0. 12 minus 4, 8. 804. How many more children are there in the high school classes than in the UP classes? 804. Let's go to the next question. The Annamala ward has 1780 people. There are 80 more women than men. Find the number of women and men. Dear children, are you ready to find the answer? Okay. How many people are there in the Annamala ward? 1780. There are 80 more women than men. So, to find out the number of men, at first we have to subtract 80 from 1780. 1780 minus 80 is equal to 1700. Then take half of this 1700. To take its half, split 1700 as 1000 plus 700. Then take half of these numbers. Half of 1000 is 500. Then half of 700 is 350. Then take its sum, that is 500 plus 350. is equal to 850. So, number of men is equal to 850. Children, we already mentioned that there are 80 more women than men. That means number of women is equal to number of men plus 80. Can you say how many men are there? Yes, 850. So, number of women is equal to 850 plus 80. Let's add 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 8, 13. 3 here and 1 is to be carried here. 8 plus 1, 9. 930. So, number of women is equal to 930. Dear children, today's class is over. Thank you.